Bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are continuing our Argan Rose theme with this gorgeous Argan Rose conditioning hair balm. So this DIY is sort of like a solid version of both a oil-based hair serum and a leave-in hair conditioner. It's completely oil-based, so it doesn't need a preservative, and it stars some really lovely, lovely oils. I'm sure you won't be surprised to hear there's a pretty good amount of gorgeous, luxurious argan oil, but there's also some lovely, really lightweight Neossance Hemisqualane and some coconut oil. I've blended 3 different hardeners to get the end consistency that I wanted with this balm. Silky cetyl alcohol, creamy stearic acid, and really glassy candelilla wax come together to create something that's really quite firm, but still has good slip and movement. My hair is not very tolerant of oils, so I made this balm quite firm, so it's hard to over apply the product. You're not going to be scooping big luxurious dollops of this hair balm out of the tin. You're really just kind of gliding your fingers over the surface, similar to kind of what you would do with like a lip balm in a tin, and then working that small amount of product through the hair. I find I usually like to finish up by brushing it out with a boar bristle brush to make sure everything is really well distributed. The conditioning part of this balm comes from some BTMS 50, where the active ingredient is 50% behentrimonium methosulfate. I absolutely love BTMS for my hair. It feels downright divine and really gives this product an extra oomph. The making part is pretty easy. This is a sort of melt, stir, pour, let it set up, and you are done type product. If you are looking for more information, including information about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more, please make sure you are reading the blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. But come on, let's go get started. We'll begin by combining the ingredients for our heated phase in a small heat-resistant glass measuring cup. You'll need 2.5 grams BTMS 50, 0.25 grams rose wax, 5.5 grams refined coconut oil, 7.5 grams argan oil, 3.75 grams Neossance Hemisqualane, 1.81 grams cetyl alcohol, 2.5 grams stearic acid, and 1 gram candelilla wax. To melt everything through, I'm going to use a water bath. So this is a small flat bottom saucepan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to pop our measuring cup in here and go put that on the stovetop over medium heat to melt everything through. While the heated phase melts, we're going to weigh out our cool down phase. So you're going to need 0.125 grams vitamin E and 0.06 grams of a lemon slices fragrance oil. And if you need alternatives, please make sure you're reading the blog post linked in the description box below. Once the heated phase has melted, you can remove the pan from the heat and remove the measuring cup from your water bath. So this will thicken up pretty quickly. We need to incorporate our cool down phase here and then quickly transfer it into a tin, and that is a 1 ounce tin. I'm gonna just quickly transfer this in here. You can see how this has already gone cloudy just from adding that tiny amount of kind of colder ingredients, and it's just been out of the heat for just a wee while. So make sure the outside of the measuring cup is dry and pour. Now I'm going to very carefully transfer this to the fridge where it can fully set up. Once the balm has fully set up, you can remove it from the fridge, let it come to room temperature, and that's it. It's pretty easy. You can see it really is quite firm. You're not picking up huge amounts of product on your fingers, but you can definitely see that my fingertips there do have a little bit of glossiness to them, and that's like, I'll just kind of pick some up on my fingers like that and then work that through the ends of my hair. So that makes it really hard to over apply the product and makes it really easy to sort of distribute it exactly where you want it throughout your hair. There you go. So we just made a gorgeous Argan Rose conditioning hair balm. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you're reading the partner blog post linked in the description box below. You'll find a lot more information there, including information about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, and a whole lot more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.